what Aviso brings to the table, and what's different about us is, while most forecasting solutions out there or revenue intelligence solutions, whether you're coming in from a conversational intelligence angle or whether you don't believe that CRM provides value and you're coming in it from, well, in the data lives with the A's and email calendar, or whether you believe that past data from Salesforce can help you prognosticate whether or not a deal is going to come in. I look at all of them and it's pretty fragmented, right? So the question is, what is the answer? And the answer is all of the above. And what I mean by that is, you can't use a simple Markov analysis or a Bayesian inference algorithm and figure out that just because certain deals have behaved with certain stage attributes in the past, that those deals or those types of deals are going to close. I mean, a high school student could do that. And it makes me smile when I see these presentations where, forecast explanation or a deal score is a probability of a deal coming in based on how deals with similar attributes, have behaved in the past. I mean, at the end of the day, we differentiate, we as an Aviso differentiate by our ability to score live pipeline. And what I mean by that is when you enter a quarter at any given point in time, there's multiple balls in the air. The question is, are those really balls or are they just air? And the changing dynamics of our business, even more so in this gray rhino environment, demand that you have a pulse on the business and you truly understand, the different signals coming to you, whether or not there's been a positive conversation with an executive sponsor, or whether or not there's been a budget freeze, or whether or not, you feel your customers leaning more towards your competitor. And I think the question most CROs ask me is, how is Aviso able to bring this kind of depth? And a large part of it is because, we've been doing this I've been doing this about 20 years. And what I've tried to build, with my team at Aviso is really an automation of all the things that I didn't have, as a CRO, to be successful, whether it's Salesforce or Oracle, or the multiple other players I worked with, right? So where we've differentiated ourselves is we bring the information to you when you need it most in context.